With a focus on convenience, one entrepreneur has decided that an hourly car rental service would fit the needs and budget of Jamaicans. With this week's edition of the Business Review, here's Cody and Barrett.
At just $550 an hour, you could rent a decent car from Minute Car Rentals Limited. The business came about when its CEO, Ferone Bryan, was traveling a lot while working as a marine engineer.
And one of the different things I saw was how people could now rent a car on a short-term basis and with a level of convenience that I thought was very fitting for the Jamaican industry.
Upon further research in the industry, he noticed convenience, reliability, and affordability were lacking.
There wasn't a proper structure to how we could cater to locals, and people don't necessarily want a car for 3 days, 5 days. People want to know that they can rent a car for 4 hours, 6 hours, and get it from point A to point B, do whatever is needed to be done, and then just return it.
So with the aim of meeting these demands, he took his savings and with the help from other stakeholders in the car industry, he secured 2 cars. And in 2018, Minute Car Rentals was launched. Since then, his fleet of cars slowly increased. But aside from convenience, affordability, and reliability, another unique feature about this company is its affiliate program. Out of a fleet of 25 cars, 80% belongs to persons who are just trying to make passive income.
So a regular person who has a vehicle can just come and say, hey, I would like to give you this car to input in our fleet. And from that, we'll take that car and we'll pay them a percentage of whatever the car is made, and we take a management percentage.
And although the onset of the pandemic snagged 70% of its revenues, it adjusted to the concerns of customers and introduced a drop-off pickup system.
I think it brought the hourly car rental service into perspective, where individuals could now rent a car for 6 hours at 4 p.m. and drop off at 10 p.m. So there was no employee here to interact with them. So it brought the hourly rental service alive. And then within COVID also, what it did for us is that it allowed the customers to have less interaction.
But with COVID restrictions now being lifted, the company is optimistic about its growth. The aim of Minute Car Rentals is to be a first-choice car rental company for both locals and tourists.
We hope that we'll have numerous locations across the island in providing that level of convenience. And for the tourism industry, we hope that we'll allow, when someone visits Jamaica, they can see Jamaica through our eyes.
With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.